Now down everyone. Blueprint, blueprint. Now down everyone. Blueprint. Subject mathematics. Grade 6. Time 3 hours. Marks is 80. Note down everyone. Note down in class notebook. Next, weightage to content or units. Weightage to content or units. There are 3 units are there. Unit 1, unit marks. Unit 1, unit 1, unit 1, 20 marks. Unit 2, 20 marks. Unit 3, 40 marks. Total 80 marks paper. Weightage to content or units. Unit 1, 20 marks. Unit 2, 20 marks. Unit 3, 40 marks. Unit 1, 20 marks. Unit 2, 20 marks. Unit 3, 40 marks. Write down very clearly, everyone. Time 3 hours. Marks is 80 marks paper. Weightage to content. Unit 1, 20 marks. Unit 2, 20 marks. Unit 3, 40 marks. Next. Weightage to form of equations. Weightage to form of equation. Weightage weightage to form of question. Weightage to form of question. Form of questions. Form of questions. Marks for each. Marks for each. Number of questions. Total marks. First formation of question is short answer. Short answer type. Short answer means SA1, 1 mark. How many question? 19 question from 1 marks. 19 ones are 19. Next, short answer type. Short answer type SA2. Short answer type 2 marks. 12 question 24. 12 twos are 24. Next, long answer type LA1. 3 marks. 7 question. 7 threes are 21. Long answer type 2. LA2. 4 marks. 4 question. 16. 9 plus 4, 15 plus 1, 16. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 2, 2 for 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 80 marks paper. Note down very clearly, everyone. Weightage to form of question. 1 marks 19 question. 2 marks 12 question. 3 marks 7 question. 4 marks 4 question. In mathematics, students, be careful. Don't think like other subject. Mathematics is completely different, student. Here 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks question is there. In other subject, you will get only 1 marks question. Be careful. 3 marks question and 4 marks question. 3 marks question and 4 mark question. Now, in which section, how many marks question will come? 1 marks question will come in section A. Listen carefully, everyone. 1 marks question will come in the section A, and 2 marks, 3 marks question will come in section B, and 4 marks question will come in section C. Again, listen carefully. 1 marks question will come in section A, 2 marks, 3 marks question will come in section B, and 4 marks question will come in section C. Then be careful, don't solve blindly. When you are writing the exam, you can take a rough notebook and start solving, then you need to tick the option. Otherwise, without solving, if you are solving answer, your answer will be 100% wrong. Be careful in section B and section C. Note down very clearly. Now, total 80 marks paper will be there. What about 20 marks? In 20 marks, 5 marks we are taking from the unit 1 and 5 marks we are taking from unit 2. 10 marks. 5 marks from the notebook, 15, and 5 marks we are taking for the grade assessment, 20 marks. Then be careful, student. Those students are not sending homework, those are not writing notes properly, you will not get 5 marks for the notebook. That's why send homework daily, complete your homework daily. Then only you will get the 5 marks for notebook. Be careful, because otherwise you are not sending, you are not doing anything, you will not get 5 marks. That will give simply 0 marks to you. Yes. Now I am coming back to my topic. In previous class, I explained about quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, it derived from 2 words, quad and lateral means, quad means 4, lateral means sides. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is the closed figure formed by four line segments. After that, I explain about vertices, sides, angles. Then I explain about what is diagonal. The line segment joining the opposite vertices is called diagonals. Then I explain about adjacent side, adjacent angles, and opposite angles. After that, I explain properties of quadrilateral. There are three. First property, quadrilateral has four sides, four vertices, four angles, interior angle add up to the 360-degree. Then after that, I have given heading types of quadrilateral on the basis of diagonals. There are two types of quadrilaterals on the basis of diagonals. First is convex quadrilateral and second is concave quadrilateral. Keep heading first, convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral. Keep heading, convex quadrilateral. The quadrilateral, the quadrilateral the quadrilateral with both the diagonals, with the both diagonals the quadrilateral with both the diagonals both the diagonals completely contained within the figure, completely contained within the figure is called convex quadrilateral, is called convex quadrilateral. The quadrilateral, both the diagonals completely contained within the figure. Underline, completely contained within the figure. If both the diagonals is lying inside, that is called convex quadrilateral. Suppose I have drawn one figure. This is looking like rectangle. If I want to draw diagonal, diagonal will exist inside or outside. Diagonal will exist inside. Why diagonal? When we are joining two opposite vertices, that is called diagonals. In this rectangle, you are observing both the diagonal completely contained within the figure. This is called convex quadrilateral. Next, draw figure with the help of pencil. What is the meaning of completely contained within the figure? Means both the diagonal will lie inside to the figure. If I want to join two opposite vertices, that is called diagonal. In this figure you are observing, students, all diagonals are lying inside. This is called convex quadrilateral. This is called convex quadrilateral. This is called convex quadrilateral. What is convex quadrilateral? If both the diagonals will lie inside, if both the diagonals completely contained within the figure, that is called convex quadrilateral. That is called convex quadrilateral. Draw this figure clearly. Not only this figure, so many figures we can draw, student, but both diagonal will exist inside, not outside to the figure. Now keep heading concave quadrilateral. Keep heading concave quadrilateral. His name is concave, looking like cave, looking like cave, looking like cave, mouth of cave, looking like cave, like that. Looking like cave, mouth of cave. This is mouth of cave, looking like cave, is called concave quadrilateral. Means in what about concave quadrilateral? At least one diagonal will lie inside and second diagonal will lie outside to the figure. Note down concept. A quadrilateral, a quadrilateral, a quadrilateral having one diagonal, a quadrilateral having one diagonal, having one diagonal inside, one diagonal inside and the other lying outside, lying outside. Means one diagonal will lie inside and second diagonal will lie outside. That is called concave quadrilateral. Is called concave quadrilateral. Is called concave quadrilateral. Is called concave quadrilateral. Draw this figure. Here I want to draw diagonal. You are observing, students, one diagonal will lie inside and second diagonal is lying outside to the figure. This is called concave quadrilateral. But in the case of convex, each and every diagonal was lying inside to the figure. In second figure, students, you are observing One diagonal will exist inside and second one is outside. This is concave quadrilateral. Everyone know very well what is diagonal. If when we are joining two opposite vertices, that is called diagonal. Now keep first star point. First underline this. One diagonal inside, other lying outside. If one diagonal lie inside, other diagonal lie outside, that is called concave quadrilateral. One diagonal inside, other diagonal outside. Now keep first star point. If the quadrilateral has if the quadrilateral has an interior angle greater than 180 degree, if the quadrilateral has an greater than interior angle greater than 180 degree, is called concave. Second star point, it looks like which concave looks like concave looks like concave looks like the mouth of a cave. Concave looks like the mouth of cave. Now keep heading. Special type of quadrilaterals. Special type of special types of quadrilateral. Special type of quadrilateral. Special type of quadrilateral. Don't write anything. Special type of quadrilaterals. Don't write, listen carefully. There are three types of quadrilaterals. Don't write, listen carefully, everyone. Don't write. Don't write anyone. There are three types of quadrilateral. There are three types of quadrilateral. There are three types of quadrilateral. First is, first one is, first one is parallelogram. Don't write, listen carefully. First one is parallelogram. Second one, trapezium. And third one is kite. Don't write, listen carefully. First one is parallelogram. Second one is trapezium. And third one is kite. Now again, parallelogram divided into three parts. Parallelogram divided into three parts. First one is rectangle. Second one is square. And third one is rhombus. Now listen carefully, everyone. In this figure you are observing, this figure is called quadrilateral family. Quadrilateral is the grandfather. Quadrilateral is the grandfather. Now grandfather has three kids: parallelogram, trapezium, and kite. Again, parallelogram have three more kids: rectangle, square, and rhombus. Who is the grandfather here? Quadrilateral. Whose family is this? This is called quadrilateral family. Quadrilateral is the grandfather. Grandfather will be always boss. Okay. After that, three there are three son are the grandfathers. First is parallelogram, trapezium, and kite. Again, parallelogram have three kids: rectangle, square, and rhombus. Understood? Now here, why I have drawn this figure? This figure is very, very important. Listen carefully, everyone. Don't try, listen carefully here. Why I have drawn this figure? This figure is very important. If I am saying all trapezium is a quadrilateral, yes, because quadrilateral is the father and here trapezium is the son. All trapezium is a quadrilateral, yes. All kite is a quadrilateral, yes. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral, yes. Rectangle is a quadrilateral, no. Rectangle is directly not linked with grandfather. Firstly, he linked with father, then grandfather. Now, rectangle is a parallelogram, square is a parallelogram, rhombus is a parallelogram. If I am saying rectangle is a quadrilateral, our answer is wrong. Because rectangle first will come father, then will come grandfather. Directly he is interlinked with father then grandfather. Yeah, we can say parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Yes, because parallelogram is directly interlinked with his father, that is grandfather. Draw this figure very clearly, everyone. This figure is called quadrilateral family. Quadrilateral family. Draw this figure very clearly. Who is the boss here? Quadrilateral. Grandfather will be always boss. Spelling right very clearly, student. Quadrilateral, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus. Quadrilateral, there are three types: parallelogram, trapezium, kite. Again, parallelogram, three types: rectangle, square, and rhombus. Now we will learn this all quadrilateral family. What is parallelogram? Properties of parallelogram. Trapezium, properties of trapezium. Kite, properties of kite. Rectangle, square, rhombus, properties of rectangle, square, and rhombus. This concept is there in this chapter. After that, last topic is there in this chapter: interior angles of polygon. Then we'll finish this chapter. It will take 2 periods. Now keep first heading parallelograms. Keep first heading parallelogram. Keep first heading parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral Parallelogram is a quadrilateral which opposite sides and angles are equal. Opposite sides and angles are equal. There are four properties are there. How to identify this is parallelograms or not? Properties. Draw this figure right side with the help of pencil. This is not rectangle. Slant is there. Slant. Draw this figure very neat and clean. How am I drawing figure? Draw like that only. Don't do other experiment. This all meanings are there. One cross line, two cross line, one arc, two arc. Each and every whatever symbol I have shown here, each and every symbol importance are there. Okay. One cross line vertically, horizontally, two cross line, one arc opposite other arc, second two arc opposite other two arc. With the help of this figure, I can explain what is the properties of parallelograms. First property, opposite sides are equal and parallel. First property, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Now, if I'm talking about opposite side, AB is opposite to DC. AB is equal to DC, comma, AD is equal to BC. AD is opposite to BC. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. And AB is parallel. This is symbol of parallel line symbol. Two vertical line symbol is called parallel line symbol. AB is parallel to DC, comma, AD is parallel to BC. This is the first property of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Second property, opposite angles are equal. Thank you, class. Timer.